Dave the Oven Guy, Dave from Custom Design Chemicals, cdchemicals.net, and we're here with this little tiny cute pollution control oven. And a pollution control oven, like any burn-off oven, has two types of burners. The lower burner is what actually gives the combustion into the process chamber. I'm standing in the process chamber right now where the parts would actually go. The parts could be plastic extrusion material. The parts could be motors that they're burning off to get rewind them. The parts could be paint fixtures where they're trying to remove the paint. But the lower burner would heat up, send heat into the lower process chamber here, which is fully insulated, and then the gases from the escaping organic material will go out through this hole into the second burner up here, which is the afterburner, which is attached to a stack which goes up and out the ceiling, burning everything completely to carbon dioxide and water vapor. This lower chamber, for motor rewinding, generally you want to run it about 750 degrees because higher temperatures than that will affect the magnetism of the material. The upper chamber, the afterburner, varies from state to state, but generally almost every state in the country is at 1400 degrees. So the heat inside here and the heat measured on the stack will be 1400 degrees, and the heat coming out of here measured with the thermocouple over here in the lower chamber, we're actually processing your parts, is going to be 750 up to 950 degrees for a paint you might be burning off. Specialty paints maybe have to be burned a little bit lower. This, why I'm standing in the oven right now is because there's a pressure release valve, pressure relief door here that's closed during oven operation. And this controls any overpressure events, and it opens up about that far or so if there is some kind of accident that occurs in this particular oven. This is a pollution control oven. Pollution control ovens operate by a different procedure than a lot of other ovens. Pollution controls heat up down here, and if they go over temperature, there's a water nozzle here. And the water nozzle sprays down towards the load to cool the oven off. And that's one of the temperature controls there. And we just did a job relining this oven. So it's nice and pretty and clean. We tested it and it worked fine. And we're out of state at Natchez, Mississippi. And this is Dave the Oven Guy from Custom Design Chemicals, cdchemicals.net. And I don't know, this was fun. So come and visit us online. If you need an oven repaired, give us a call. Thanks a lot for listening.